Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are back at another job here this morning. We are prepping for paver sealing. It's one of our customers. We just got done doing her house and sidewalk, so we'll walk you around and show you what it looks like. So yeah, so we just got done doing her sidewalks in the house, and now we're back to do the driveway cleaning, sanding, and sealing. It's really, really beautiful driveway. I like the pattern that they put in the middle. But you can see there's a lot of the sand is gone. It's just kind of dirt in there. So we got to get all that cleared out. And it's just the driveway and then the walkway going up to the front of the house. So, and then up along the front. And that's about it. So, all right, let's get busy while we have the good weather. This last couple of days we've been dodging rainstorms down here, but today and tomorrow is supposed to be beautiful. Perfect sealing weather.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Okay, so here we are back at the sealing job. We let this set up last night, went and did a small job. But we're back this morning to put the sealer down. So let me show you, everything's all cleaned up. Everything's sanded. I have to blow it off one more time. Just getting everything prepped. And the walkway up to the front. Okay. John's prepping up the front door. Okay, today we're using Hurricane Cat 5 with a D2 solution. So stand by, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all set here. We just got done mixing the Cat 5 and we're ready to start laying some sealer here. So stay tuned, here we go. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Turned out really nice. I'm going to show you what we got here. Yep. It's got a perfect shine and sheen on it. All the sand levels are up right where they're supposed to be. Yeah, it's turned out beautiful. All right, another great job there with the Trident Cat 5. That was, we used fieldstone sand and we did a D2 solution on it, and just turned out absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll see you at the next job.